Hey guys, welcome to Total Evelyn and another day on the Palm. This is work for me, would you believe? I am selling property and enjoying life here. It's such a wonderful place to live and to work, you know. There's so much to do in Dubai. But I'm a bit biased because if people ask me where should I stay in Dubai, I would always say the Palm, because I just love it. Now, I just feel that I have been banging on since probably 2021 about why you should grab the opportunities for investment purposes, and people have ran away with the ball. They have definitely made money. Some people have made 70% on their investment, and properties aren't even built yet. So when you think about it, all the new developments that I showed you in the last video, you need to check that last video actually, because I was showing you Orla Infinity, I was showing you Orla and Nikhil, which is Palm Holdings, all the best developers, and also showing you Six Senses. And you can see now, like when you look at the bureau there, that these are already like up and running. They're not up and running, but they're already off the ground. Like when I showed you them before, it was just dirt and gravel, and now you can actually see a structure there. So could you imagine, once you bought something here on resale, because you can't buy on off plan now because everything is sold out. We were too slow again. Then you can still basically get something on the resale which is still an affordable cost to you, and you're still going to make a profit. So I would definitely say you should take my advice. Don't be stupid. Anyway, look how thriving it is here. This is where everybody comes when they come on holiday. They always come to the Atlantis, and they'll now want to come to the new Atlantis, which is the Atlantis the Royal. Had you taken my advice in 2021, you would have got something at 7 million, even 5 million, if you were really, really lucky and got it pre-launch. But honestly, I just don't know what to do with you. I'm actually giving you gifts and you're not grabbing it out of my hand. I don't know why. Anyway, this is the result. The Atlantis the Royal is now here, iconic. Beyonce opened it at the tail end of last year, and of course it tripled in price. Now what have you got to say about that? Nothing at all. Zip. Right, so are you going to start to listen to what I'm saying? You can listen to other people who talk about stuff that's going on in Dubai. There's a lot of people out there that's doing it because, of course, we are voted a fair valued place to live. You know, we're right on the list of the best places for investment purposes, for living and all that, right? And it's electrifying, as it says on the sign there. It really is. So I think on my last video I touched on where else could you go to feel like a princess. You know, you can virtually go anywhere that's like luxurious, and you can really make your weekends extra special just by sitting, looking the part. Even if you've not got any money, you can dress yourself up and you can walk into a place like the Atlantis the Royal and you can mingle in with all the millionaires and billionaires and the normal people, just like you and I, who haven't got a buck. And you can just, as I said, just network with them. I mean, there's no place quite like Dubai, honest. Since I came here in 2021, I used to think that it was just about selling property. It's not about that, it's about finding your sort of happy place. And when you're here, it really does make you happy that you can just be on your own in a place. Nobody bothers you. You can walk about on the beach here on the Palm. You can have this as your holiday home as well. You could basically have a home from home, invest somewhere. I mean, if it was me, I literally would buy along here because I like this area, I really do. I feel that you're away from the hustle and bustle. I feel it's quite a classy area. It's, for me, it's a bit like California. It's got that California vibe about it. Do you think? I think it's like California for sure. And there's a lot of classy people that come along here as well. It's full of relaxation as well. Like if you like to run, if you like to just unwind, whatever. You want to go to the beach, you can do absolutely anything here. You really can. And it's got a huge stretch as well. It's not just a boring place. You know, you're going to see everything from the start of the crescent all the way to the other side of the crescent. So we went to the west crescent and we're on the east crescent now, and it just goes on and on and on, like what I'm doing right now. On, and I'm getting tooted at. Not paying attention on the roads. Actually, this is a good road as well because you can just leisurely drive. A videographer's saying, not sure about that. She's driving like a lunatic. Oops, where's he going? Yep, got to watch for people. That's one thing about Dubai, is really concentrate on other people's driving more than your own, because there's always some nutter on the road. Anyway, the point of my video is just to really give you an insight into what I do every day, like working along this area, all the new developments, the ones that's about to hand over as well. That's a completely other video though. I really want to tell you about that. That's over here, and these ones are the resales. In fact, I'm going to let you see that, but it is definitely a longer video, so it was just to really show you the different places and where you can stay. And also, if you're coming to Dubai for a holiday, then this is a great place to stay depending on what you want to do. If you're like me and you like a bit of peace and quiet as well as the party, then you can do both quite easily here. And look at that view, oh my god. Here's what I was talking about as well, right here, the building is, this is the one that I would definitely recommend that you don't waste any time. And if you can get a purchase of one of them before the handover, then you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. And on that note, you don't listen to me anyway. You never listen to me. But one day you will listen. And if you don't listen now, you'll regret not listening, because next year at this time, people will be rubbing their hands in glee, and it won't be you. Oh my god. On that note, listen guys. Oh, I have to turn my engine off now. Thanks very much. Do remember to subscribe, like and share. I'm going to close now because I could talk about the palm forever and ever. Take good care, lots of love. See you in the next one.